Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about something that I've been using in most of my projects but I've not talked about on my channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about batch plot. So if I open up this PDF file, you can see that it has lots of sheets in it. They are 4 in number, but they are all organized in one PDF document file. Alright, so this is what we call batch plot. Alright, so mostly it's used for presentation purposes, and also if you want to organize your drawings in a proper and more professional way, you always use the batch plot to organize your drawings in a single document file in AutoCAD. Alright, so let's drop into AutoCAD and I show you exactly how you go about it and all the steps that you need to do this. Alright, so let's get started. I'll click at this AutoCAD application. Then you can see that I have lots of drawings in here, and these are the drawings that I'm going to show you on how you can batch plot them. Alright, so let's drop our cursor down here at the status bar just below the command bar. So you can see that if I click at this layout called A1, the sheet pops up. Then it has lots of drawings on it. Then also there is this next layout called A3. You see that it has a sheet with drawings on it. Then also there is another layout. It also has a sheet with drawings on it. Then the last one is this one. It has a sheet with drawings on it. Alright, so this layout over here, it's empty. Alright, so it has the title block well placed on it. Alright, so I'm not going to use it in this video. Alright, so the only layouts that I'm going to focus on are between layout 1 and this other current layout. Alright, so I'll click at this layout called A1. So once it opens up, I'll click at this application button right at the upper left hand corner of the screen. Then from the drop down list that pops up, I'll hover my cursor at this print option. Don't click, because if you click, AutoCAD will divert you to this dialog box called plot A1, and this is not where I want you to go. Right, so I'll close off this. Then I'll still click at this application button. Then I'll hover my cursor at this print option. Then I'll select batch plot from the options that pop up. Alright, so this publish dialog box will pop up again. Then you can see that from the sheet list it is currently at none. Alright, so I'll maintain it to none. Then publish to PDF, maintain it to PDF. You can see that there is a variety of options over here, but always maintain it to PDF. Alright, since each and everything that we are going to do, we shall end up by converting our drawings to PDF, so maintain it to PDF. Then PDF preset, it's AutoCAD PDF high quality print. So this is the printer that I selected in my page setup manager. Right, so always take note of that. You can see that there are a variety of options over here, but I choose this, so I'll select it. Then I'm going to explain these ones in the further part of the video, but for now let's first handle this right hand part of the dialog box. So you can see that right over here there is this file like icon. If you have a list of drawings that you want to print, you can easily load them from here. Then also this one is to save the list of drawings. Alright, so like if maybe I want to save a list of these layouts, I'll just need to click on this icon over here. Or if there is a saved list of sheets, I'll still need to click at this icon over here to access them. Alright, so let's go to this button over here called publish options. So once I click on it, this PDF publish options dialog box will pop up. Then just under it over here there is location. So you can see that AutoCAD is presenting to you the location file where it will be saving all the drawings that you would have converted to PDF. Alright, so if you want to change the location file to which it will be saving these drawings that we are going to convert to PDF, you simply browse the location file from this button over here. So click on it. Alright, let me move it over here. Sorry, let me just drop it down over here. Then next I'll click at this desktop icon. Then I'll click at this option for this PC, double click on it. Then under devices, then select new volume D. Then I'll select this folder Archbooks. Then I'll select PDF project. Then once it opens up, you can see that I have this file called profile files. So it's the same location file that I have over here. Alright, So you can see that that's how you go about on deciding on the location file to instruct AutoCAD to store your PDF files in there. All right, so once you're done with finding your location file, you simply click at this button, select. All right, so AutoCAD will present to you the location extension in this space over here. All right, so for the prompt for name and mount sheet file, maintain these ones selected. Then under quality, I always don't change anything here. For the vector quality, raster, image quality, I always maintain them the way they are. Then also merge control, I'll maintain it to lines override. So there is two options here, line merge and line override. So I always maintain it to lines override. All right, so under data, there is include layer information, include hyperlinks, create bookmarks. So I always maintain these options the way they are. I don't tamper with anything over here. So once I'm done with finding my location file, I usually hit OK. Then I'll come to this part of the dialog box. All right, so you can see that when you look at this status bar in AutoCAD, I want to print this layout, then also this layout, then also this layout, and also this layout. All right, but this layout 1 and also this layout called A2, I don't need them. I don't want to print them out. All right, what I'm going to do is I'll select this first part of the drawings. So select it and delete it. All right, or remove sheet. Click at this button, remove sheet. All right, so there is add sheet and also remove sheet. All right, so in this case, I'm going to remove this model sheet. All right, so once you click on this remove sheet, it automatically disappears. All right, so still I'll select this sheet called layout 1, which is this one over here. Then still I'll remove it. All right, so I'll maintain this sheet called A1, then A13, then A12, then A14. All right, but for sheet A2, I'll select it, then I'll also delete it. All right, so once you're done with coming up with a proper list of your drawings on those sheets, all right, let's drop down over here. Then you can see that you selected sheet details. All right, so these are the details that talk about all the sheets that you have over here. All right, then number of copies, I'll maintain it to 1. Then include pick setup, I won't check it. Then publish in background, I'll check it. Then think this one, I'll maintain it to none. Then once each and everything is okay over here, just click at this button, publish. All right, so right over here, once you click at this button, publish, this specify PDF file dialog box will pop up. Then you can see that my location file is over here and it's showing all the PDF files that are inside this location file. All right, so next down over here there is file name. So I'll change this one a little bit. I'll put in some figures, maybe 12, just not to create a duplicate of what is already existing. All right, so for the files of type, I'll maintain it to PDF file. Then once I'm done with putting in the file name, I'll just need to click at this select button. Right, then this publish sheet list will pop up. Then AutoCAD is trying to ask me, do you want to save the current list of sheets? I'll hit yes. Then it will also give me another notification that one or more drawings have unsaved changes. Save the file so that a DSD file can be created. So I just need to hit close. Right, so also that dialog box will close up automatically. Then also this notification pops up, your printing or publishing job is processing in the background. All right, so you just need to close off this. So if you're keen enough, just in the right lower corner of this screen, you can see that AutoCAD is working on the PDF file. All right, so once AutoCAD has finished to convert these drawings to PDF, it will send you this notification that plot and publish job complete. All right, so you just need to close off this. Then we shall get back to our file. Go to Archbooks over here, then go to PDF project. So I'll try to enlarge this space over here so you can see that our PDF is right over here. All right, so once I click on it, I double click on it, you can see that it's over here. All right, this is it for this video. If you've really found something helpful and it has added value to you, Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also share this kind of content to friends and relatives that feel like they need of this kind of content. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next part of the video. And also, I'm going to leave a link of this PDF file in the description box down below. So if you want to follow along, just make sure that you download it from the link that I will leave in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next part of the video.